You have to open this phone.
I can never open this phone. I can't. I can't. I'm not cheating.
Happen here again. Wetin dey happen again?
My neighbor.
Every time I go dey fight. Every time I go dey fight.
Call. I said you should open the phone. Let me see the person that has been calling him morning, afternoon, or night. He said he's not cheating. Okay, open your phone now. No way.
Okay, Oga, if you wan prove yourself right, open the phone. Mo will see. Mo will clear everything for you.
Now my friend they call me.
Why you go dey hide? If you know say you know dey cheat, why you go dey hide your phone? Open am, Mo will see. Bros, make I see the phone first. Make I see am.
I bet no give am.
I no go give am. Make I
give am.
She be na the phone be
Yes,
this.
yes.
Na you know what open am.
Yes.
Okay, make the matter end today. Na
Go buy this phone. Go buy this phone
Who's
now.
paying for this one? Where you go?
This evening you will die.
Wetin I go call? Remove the car first.
You know where
Go. Now why we people know the help people with this. Now why people know the help.
Wetin I go do now? Wetin I go do? Wetin carry me go join with husband and wife matter like this?
Go and ask your grandfather.
I settle matter. I come buy market. Wetin I go do now?
After na why the full of them dey talk?
I do see. I say make I come settle matter.
Eh.
As they dey query, every time they dey query, sometimes I go keep quiet. Na him today say make I come. I come know wetin dey sup. As I dey follow the talk.
You go explain tire.
Okay.
I say make you show me the phone. Make I see. As no be open now. As because I made the cut all the whole matter short. Now I knack the phone for ground.
You don't spoil her.
I spoil her.
Hey, you don't buy market now. You
They say make I buy am.
wait. Say you never have to Brizzy quick repair.
No.
Now why now? Your Brizzy quick repair number one. You know that's number one. See that they buy food, that they sell food, that they swap food, that they even they repair. Like you know, wait till 5 minutes, 2 minutes like this phone go new now.
I bet you be my guy now. I beg.
The best right now, the best.
Yeah.
Brizzy quick repair anywhere.
I beg.
Wait till they talk. No worry.
A few moments later.
Yeah, see your phone. See your phone. Make sure you don't play now. Don't play no. Don't do my phone no. Oh yeah. Don't let me do it.
Bros, I bet.
Jesus.